Hi guys, let's do this quick percentages trick you might not know about, but it'll help you a lot when you are doing quick calculations in your mind. So 16% of 25. Quick, 2 seconds. How can you tell me the answer? Well, it's 4. How do I know that? Because for percentages, you can do 25% of 16. So these two numbers can be swapped to make the percentages easier. So 25% of 16, we know a quarter of 16 is 4, right? So now this happens with, you can do this with the percentages like 25, 50, 75, which you can do the calculations in your head, right? So if next question is 48% of 50, yeah, 48% of 50 is finding difficult, whereas if you write it as 50% of 48, or if you think it as 50% of 48, it's easier because it's 24, it's half of 48, right? Another question, let's do. So if it is 60% of 75, yeah, so you can write it as 75% of 60, and then 75% of 60 means you are doing 3/4. So what is 3/4 of 60? Quick. So 3/4 of 60 is 45. Yeah, you can do that calculations. And the last one that I will show you quickly here is, let us suppose 44% of 150. So 44% of 150 can be written as 150% of 44, right? So 150% means it is the same number plus another 50%. So 100% plus 50%, 100 plus 50, right? So plus 50 is 22. So your answer is going to be 66, right? So that was a quick trick of solving some of these percentages numbers. If you find something that is multiples of 10s usually can go easily.